sparklers, come and join with us. We're outside, we're ready to see the fireworks. We hear fireworks, but we can't see them. But we're going to toast some marshmallows. We have some hot chocolate. We're going to have the best time of our lives.
It's on fire.
Oh! The burnt bits are good, Alyssa.
It'll be hot. It'll be hot. Going for one, Ruby? Look at me. Write your name. Write your name. Swirl it. Swirl it. Swirl it.
Yay! Our hot chocolates are so good. Our hot chocolates are so good. I put 2 marshmallows on one stick and see if they'll melt into each other. I want to do that. That sounds good. I'm going to do something else than that. Whoa! Ow. Look to reach after. Okay, no. Maybe stop doing that. What is the YouTube channel? Well done, Leah's house. We're energized now, nice and cozy. We had a brilliant night watching the fireworks.